Hi, welcome to this session. The agenda of this session is Business Central add-in for Outlook. So we have feature Business Central. Use Business Central as your business inbox in Outlook. We can install and configure Business Central add-in for Outlook. Then you can use the Business Central as your business inbox. That is the functionality, which means you can integrate Business Central with your email inbox, Outlook as an add-in. Then you are able to connect Business Central in your email inbox itself. So as the third point, then you will get contact insights and document view. Once the Business Central add-in has been installed and configured, from the email inbox itself, you can get the contact insights. When you are receiving an email or you are sending an email to your business partners like customer or vendor, from that email inbox itself, you can synchronize with your Business Central contacts and you can get the contact insights, the customer and vendor insights from the email inbox itself. And the another part is document view. You are able to view and create the documents like sales order, sales invoice, purchase invoice, etc. from the email inbox itself. By using this functionality, you will be able to manage your business interactions directly in Microsoft Outlook. That means you can get the contact insights and you are able to view and create the documents. Using that, you can manage your business interactions directly from the email inbox with your customers and vendors. This is the functionality I would like to showcase in this session. So I have received a customer request from Canon Group PLC in email. The customer is requested for a sales order for 2 items. This is my email inbox, and this is the email I have received from one of my customer, Canon Group PLC. Okay, and also I have received another email from another customer, Sun Technologies. In this email also, customer is requesting for a order for 2 items. Okay, so I want to showcase you how I can manage the business transaction from this email inbox itself without going separate login with Business Central. Okay, so as I mentioned, I already installed the add-in, Business Central add-in for Outlook functionality already installed and configured for my user account. If your email user account and Business Central user account is same and under same domain and same Exchange server, you can easily install and integrate. If you have the administrator privilege, you can do this installation and configuration yourself. If you don't have administrator privilege, you can ask with your global admin for installing and configuring the Business Central add-in email Outlook functionality. Okay, so now it is already done for my user account. The plugin has been, add-in has been already installed and configured, and also my email account has been configured in Business Central. Now I want to showcase the functionality. So this is the email and this is the email inbox. In the email inbox, you can see more actions button. Once you click on more actions button, you can see Business Central because it is already installed and configured. So Business Central add-in, you can see here in the more actions button. In the Business Central menu, you can see in the add-in, you can see, as I mentioned initially, you will get 2 options. One is contact insights and another one is document view. In the contact insights is system email will synchronize with your Business Central and system will check for the available contacts. Then you will be able to get the insights of available contacts. And the document view part, you can able to view and you can able to create new documents like a sales invoice, sales order, purchase invoice, purchase order, etc. So this is the functionality you will be able to get in your email inbox itself. Then it will be easily, you can manage your business transactions without going here and there. In the single screen itself, you can manage your email as well as you can create and manage your business transaction in Business Central without a separate login. Okay, that will make easy for your business hours. Okay, suppose I want to manage this email. So I just click on the Business Center. First, I want to check the contact insights. Just I click on the contact insights. System will synchronize with the Business Central contacts. And now it is showing this particular contact, the sender of this email. This email sender is not available in my Business Central contact list. That is why it is showing sender of this email is not among your contacts. So you will get two options. One is add this sender as your new contact. Using this, you can create a new contact for proceeding further. Else, you can assign this contact to any of your existing available contacts. Okay. Then that email, the center of this email will synchronize with and connected with assigned to any of the available contacts. So you will get two options here. If suppose the email sender is not available in your Business Central contacts. Let me check another email sender. Click on Business Central contact insights. Okay, see here, this contact is already available in my Business Central contact list. So this contact is already available with the customer, the Canon Group. So that is the reason I am getting the insights of this contact and this customer. In the earlier case, the center of the email is not available among the contacts of Business Central. That is the reason we get there two options for creating a new contact, else we can assign with the existing contact. So this is the first thing. This is the contact insight part. Here, now this center of the email is already available in the Business Central customer and contact list. So this is the customer and I can see the fact box of this customer. I can see the balances and all those things and available documents available in for this particular customer, and also all details, payment balances, sales orders, whatever view you will available in Business Central, the same view and features and functionalities you will be able to get inside your email inbox. That is the advantage of this particular feature. Okay, suppose now here the customer request is for creating the sales order for these items. Okay, and we need to send the email confirmation. For processing that, from the actions, I can go for sales order creation. So I click on the sales order. So the sales order creation form will be page you can see in your email itself. You can handle the business transaction here itself without going to separate login into Business Central. That is the advantage. So the header part, customer details, contact, everything will be automatically populated from the email content, because this email center is already available in the Business Center. So all this header part, as usual, we are creating the sales order details will come, and in the line part, you can select for the desired item. This is the requested item and the number of quantity requested is 20. Okay. This is the normal sales order method. So you can enter the next item, which is 1928. Yes. And the requested quantity is 10. Okay, so all details are entered. You can see other tabs of the sales order here, like shipment, tax information, prepayment details, whatever the details you will get normally in Business Central screen, the same will be available in the email inbox itself. From here, you can process and you can manage the transactions and business communication from the single screen, from the single window. So that will help you manage your operation hours easily. So I want to release this sales order. Click on the actions button, click on release. Now this sales order has been released. Okay. Now I want to send this sales order. If I want to send this sales order as a reply, as a response of this customer email, because they are requested for sales order for these two items. Now I have created the sales order from my email inbox and I have released it. Next, I want to send it. Now this is already released. That is why you will get a release and reopen. Reopen is activated because now it is released. I want to send the sales order confirmation by email. Okay, all other options, if you want to post the sales order, if you want to ship it, if you want to pack it, you can do from here itself without a separate login to Business Central. All the action functions and features are available for the sales order here itself. Now for me, if you want to send the approval, you can send here itself for the approval. That option also available. See here. Okay, see here, if you want to send the approval request, you can do it from here itself. Now, what I'm going to do is I want to send this email confirmation to the customer. So from here itself, we can do that. In the print sender area, you can see email confirmation. Then system will create the email, automatically pick the email sender as your to address, and the sales order will be attached as a PDF file, and the order details you will be able to see in the email content. Okay, see, this is the detailed order as a PDF file attachment. You can see the order number, we can see the details, item, quantity, and pricing. Everything will be there as normal sales order attachment. All the relevant details will be automatically populating into the new email, and the send to address also detected from the contact email address, and the newly created sales order is attached as a PDF document. You can simply click the send button. So from the email inbox itself, you able to check the contact of the sender, email sender, synchronize with the Business Central contacts, and you can get the customer or contact insights, and you are able to do the sales order creation, and you can release the sales order, and you can send the email confirmation of the sales order to the customer from the single window. That will make your day very easy and handy. You don't want to switch different business application email to ERP or any other kind of switching. You don't want from the single window. In minimum mouse clicks, you can manage your business transactions and you are able to get the insights also. So in the send item, you can see the order confirmation has been sent to the customer. So this is the functionality we have discussed in this particular session. It's a very good and very useful functionality and feature in Business Central that will help users to make their day very easy. So that's it. If anything else, if you have any queries, you can reach out to me. Thanks for connecting and thanks for attending the session.